Hello, Fitter family. This is your coach Shashank Shekhar, and this is a quick one about all of you guys, including myself, people who sometimes feel lazy about working out. And although on most days I usually feel very pumped up to work out, but there are days when I just don't feel like it. Let's say the gym is closed and I'm supposed to work out at home. I just don't feel it. And many of you would have been feeling the same way. Maybe you are really tired after a long, hard day's work at your office. Perhaps you are in deficit. You did not have a good night's sleep, or the entire day it's been bothering you. So there could be n number of reasons why you just don't feel like working out. But is it worth missing a day's workout? So I'm here to give my point of view on this particular idea. I feel that if you are that person who does not like working out, or who ends up cheating on their workouts, then you should work out 7 days a week, not six, not five, not four, 7 days a week. Because what it does is that it forms a habit. And when habits are formed, doing a workout becomes equivalent to brushing your teeth or taking a shower, something that you are going to do every freaking day. So, how do you go about it? My idea is that if I'm not feeling like working out, I just need to work out for 10 minutes. If I don't feel like working out once those 10 minutes are over, then I won't work out. I'll just pack my bags and end my workout. But I do have to get into my workout gear. I do have to wear my workout shoes. I do have to put some nice music and get into the entire zone and then start my workout. So once I start working out, most of the times, at least 90% of the times, it has happened that after 10 minutes, I am into that zone. I have gained some momentum, and now I just feel like finishing my workout. I may not complete a 1.5 hour workout like I usually do, but it would still be a 45-minute or 1 hour of grueling workout, which would end up making a big difference to my overall discipline, consistency, and program. So you also have to do a similar thing. If you don't feel like working out today, then just go to the gym, go all dressed up, reach the gym, start your workout, and just clock 10 minutes. If after 10 minutes you don't feel like working out, you feel like going back, then go back. But most of the times, I can assure you, you are going to want to complete your workout because you're now in the zone. You've reached the gym, you're there anyway. And as soon as you start doing that workout, your blood is pumping, you want to do it. It just gets you in that good zone where you want to work out positively. Also, now I would like to appeal on the habit side of things. So, whenever we are trying to form a habit, doing it as frequently as possible would make more sense. It would make a lot more sense if you were to do 30 minutes of workout every day, 7 days a week, instead of doing, let's say, 1 hour of workout 3 days a week. And I'm not talking about results or gym performance. I'm talking from a purely habit building perspective. If you want to build a habit of working out, don't take any rest days. On a Sunday, maybe don't do resistance training, but that 30 minutes of workout time should always be there, and perhaps do some bit of yoga or stretching or some rehab work on a Sunday, or on your off day. But ensure that you're working out each day so that there is a habit that is being formed where you are working out every day, 7 days a week. Only that can ensure that you have formed a habit. Of course, many people will be able to do fine by just 4 or 5 days of workout. But for us people who bank on consistency, people who bank on the momentum side of things, they don't want to lose this momentum. They don't want to lose this working out streak. Consider it like a streak where the number of days you have not missed a workout becomes a streak. You want to make a streak of 300 days, 500 days, 1000 days of not skipping workout at all. Even if you're traveling, take out 15 minutes of time, do some push-ups, do some squats, do some lunges or calf raises, or maybe some ab related workout. But make sure that 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour of workout is always there. It becomes a trait of your personality. It becomes something that you can relate to as much as brushing your teeth and taking a shower, and see workout in the light where it is being considered absolutely essential for you. That's it. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. This thing where working out all 7 days a week, even though focusing on yoga on the days you don't want to strength train, has worked out wonders for me. It has allowed me to work out, day after day, year after year, and ensure that I am in shape always. Thank you.